So over here you can see that I got certain number of video and audio track. So if I were to go around and move this up right here, you can see that this is in video track 2 now. So now this is in 3. If I were to click and drag this around, this is in 4 and then 5 right here, just like this. So as I drag around, you can see that I can add in as many video tracks as I want. So if I were to go around over here under timeline right here, then you can also go around and add tracks over here. So you can go around and add in, let's say for example, 10 extra tracks right here, just like this, and press OK, and then there are 10 extra tracks. And you can go around and move this out according to how you want. If I were to go around over here, you can also add tracks right here and add in audio tracks as you like 5 tracks right here, just like this, and then it can be before first track or after first track. So let me just add in before first track over here in my case and press OK, and you can see that it added in audio tracks as well. So now there are a lot of tracks, as you can see right here, and there is gaps in track. And let's say you want to delete out the track that are unused. In that case, you can go around over here and you can see that you can right click, and here you can see that delete empty track is an option. Or you can also go around over here in timeline and delete out the empty tracks right here. Once you do that, what happens is that all of the empty tracks are deleted, as you can see right here, apart from the video 1 and audio 1 right here, and voice and music track right here. So that is how you can add and delete out tracks as you like inside of Adobe Premiere Elements. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.